Hello friends, one of the most common questions many people ask me is about what clothes should they carry on Ladakh trip. Of course, mainly it depends upon the season that you want to travel and how much sensitive you are to cold. But still, some basic guidelines will surely help you to pack the right balance of clothes on your upcoming Ladakh trip. And this is especially true in the tricky months when it is hot in the plains, but it can be extremely cold or winter-like conditions in places like Ladakh. This is the time that most people make mistakes of not going well prepared on a Ladakh trip. Well, today in this Express FAQ series on traveling to Ladakh, I'm going to talk about this topic in detail. So let's get started. Well, carrying clothes on a Ladakh trip mainly depends upon the season or month in which you will be traveling to high altitude place. The winters may have altogether different requirements than summers, while the shoulder season months of April to May and September to October may prove to be very tricky ones. The peak season months of June, July and August are considered to be pleasant, where light woolens will mostly do the job for you. In winter months, when both Manali Leh Highway and Srinagar Leh Highway are closed due to heavy snow, then conditions are extremely cold and you need to go well prepared according to them. Hence, in winter months of November to March, proper gear including heavy woolens are required to survive on a Leh Ladakh road trip. So if you are planning a winter Ladakh trip, please go well prepared with proper clothing and gear. Now let's talk about the tricky months of visiting Ladakh, which are April to May and September October. This is where most people make mistakes. It is mostly because in plains of India, these months are either pretty hot or somewhat pleasant. Hence, people don't pay much attention that a high altitude region things can be completely different and winter-like conditions could be there. So let's talk about some general guidelines that you must follow when packing your clothes for a Ladakh trip. Firstly, the basic thing for making a Ladakh trip successful one is that at any cost, you must keep yourself warm enough. Keeping you warm will help you acclimatize faster and in a better way. Hence, especially in the shoulder months, you should wear proper warm layers of clothing and protect your feet as well with shoes. Secondly, you should carry clothes that you can wear in layers. Why? Because that will help you adjust to the fluctuating temperatures in the sun and shades, or if there are overcast conditions. Especially at the starting and ending months of Ladakh season, when the sun is shining, then everything appears good and pleasant. But as soon as you enter shaded portion or there are some little overcast conditions, it becomes cold enough pretty quickly. So you need to have a jacket handy with you so that you can quickly wear it as soon as the conditions become cold. This will help you keep warm and avoid letting the cold flow inside your body. Keeping these factors in mind, I recommend that you carry following winter clothes for your Ladakh trip. First thing, couple of pairs of inner thermal suits as they will help you in layering. Secondly, carry a heavy woolen jacket always with you throughout the year. Weather can change suddenly in high altitude places like Ladakh or Spiti Valley, so you need to make sure that you carry a heavy woolen jacket even if you don't need to use it throughout the trip. But if you do, please thank me later. Number 3. Always carry a pair of woolen socks with a good pair of insulated boots or trekking shoes with you. Especially in winters, you should have insulated boots or trekking shoes that can keep your feet warm enough. In summers, even sports shoes work fine, but I always prefer hiking boots which protect my ankle when traveling to mountains. Number 4. Carry at least couple of caps to protect yourself from direct sunlight, as it is quite harsh in this region. Kids especially should wear caps or hats all the time when they are out playing in the sun. Especially in the months of September and October, the UV rays are harshest and you must protect your skin using hats, caps or some good high SPF sunscreen lotions. Number 5. Carry a balaclava or a monkey cap that will certainly help you in cold conditions which are set up suddenly. Number 6. You should carry sunglasses to protect your eyes from the reflecting snow in the mountains. Number 7. Hand gloves is a must have in case you are traveling in the months of October to May, or especially if you are riding. Number 8. An extra pair of shoes or gumboots in case you are riding on a bike and you are expecting a lot of water crossing on the way. Please keep in mind that in this video I only mentioned essential clothing, but if you want to check out a comprehensive list of clothes and things to carry on a Ladakh trip, then please refer my other video here. or hair? Well, now that you know what clothing you must carry on a Ladakh trip, it is always nice to carry some candies, chocolates, books, pens, pencils, crayons, etc. Anything that you can distribute among the local children up there. Nothing but the smile on their face would be totally worth it. Now, in the end, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need any help or have any questions on your upcoming trip to the Himalayas, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you out right away. Till then, my friends, Jule, and please keep our Himalayas clean.